Finally ready to snag that vintage guitar, but your wallet's looking a little light? Don't sweat it, Klarna's got your back. This video will show you how to use Klarna on eBay, so you can spread out those payments and rock out sooner. First, find the item you're after on eBay and click the Buy It Now button. This will take you to the checkout page. Here's the important part. Scroll down to see the available payment options. Look for the Klarna logo. If it's there, select it as your preferred payment method. Keep in mind, Klarna might not be available for every seller or item. You will be redirected to Klarna to complete your purchase. You might be prompted to log into your Klarna account, or if you're new, to create one. Choose your preferred payment plan. Klarna usually offers options like paying in for interest-free installments or financing over a longer period. Review the payment schedule and agree to Klarna's terms. Once you've confirmed everything, Klarna will process the payment. You'll be redirected back to eBay, where you'll see your order confirmation. And that's it. You successfully used Klarna on eBay. Now you can enjoy your new purchase while paying it off in manageable installments. Happy shopping!